Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys. This bay is hard to get, and also I got this from SwiftBlader, so yeah. And it kind of pertains to these guys. So yeah, I accidentally ripped it open by accident. But yeah, this thing is hard to get. If you see what it is, let me take it out of the thing. I don't see any of my eyes close by, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Okay, guys, I'm back. So yeah, here's Libra, the original 0.1. I mean, the 1.0 version of Libra. The first release of Libra. And this is the second version of it. So yeah, so that makes 16 bays for this horoscope collection. Also, I got another one that, oh god. Sorry, that's my TV. But yeah. And for the manga, I have all the manga too. So horoscope is complete and the manga collection is complete. Basically. So yeah. I got this from a different seller, but okay. The blader is for this one. Okay, this is SwiftBladers eBay. I might be getting a few more of these, I'm not sure. I already have some of these other guys. And the other one is Alan. Wait, what's the name? I'll be putting both of these guys' eBay accounts in the description, and also yeah, in the description. But another good seller for manga, the horoscope series. But yeah, this Beyblade is extremely nice. I really love it. Oh, it looks brand. There's little scratches on it, little battle damage, but yeah. Look at this, and a lot of these are battle damage too, and these are I bought brand new, like this one right here. And also for this one, I've seen that. Since I bought this one, a lot of other eBay sellers are just getting them in. Like one that was for $10 used, and there's another one for that price. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.